92.7 Mix FM, 7:27. It's Mark and Caroline for breakfast this morning. Something very exciting going on right outside our studio door. All you've got to do is drop in just behind Sunshine Plaza, opposite Officeworks, and you can check out this incredible car known as Baxter.
That's right, Baxter the Bash car. The Variety Club Bash leaves Toowoomba on October 3, and we've got 4 blokes from the Sunshine Coast taking part. Now, they're an Australian first because it's the first time that former recipients of the Variety Club Bash money are actually taking part in the Bash. The 4 blokes are Glenn Shepherd, Damien and Wade Sorensen, and Alex McDougall. Now, Glenn's pretty famous. He's famous for his poetry on the coast, and he's also famous for something called facilitated communication. He's unable to speak, but, you should come down today and meet Glenn. It's amazing when you see how he communicates. Then there's Damien Sorensen. He recently graduated Nambour Special School. He was actually their first ever school captain. We'll talk to him later. He's a bit of a laugh, always likes a joke. His brother Wade is 21, and Wade's been working in hospitality for the past year or so, but his big passion is actually singing. And finally, there's 20-year-old Alex. Now, some people will know Alex as a volunteer at Meals on Wheels.
So many people have come in and, bought raffle tickets and given us donations, bought Baxter t-shirts.
I'm excited, yes. I'm feeling well. I'm feeling quite good that it's going to happen not long to go. I'm very, very happy, and I'm basically looking forward, because this is basically my long dream.
Now, the way the Variety Club Bash works is you pay a lot to go in it. You pay $7,000. Now, then you have fun on the bash, but that money goes towards helping kids, helping special kids around Australia, and so it's a great cause.
Isn't this the first time that entrants have come from people that the charity has helped?
Helps, that's exactly right.
All right, Jeff. I have done many tents in my life. And this one's a lot different to the ones I have ever done, but it's going to be good. We are actually hitting the road for where we start the big rally from Toowoomba to Baxter tomorrow, roughly around about 7:30, I think.
People along the way. I'd like to invite the guys up here from Team Baxter. Very, very special team. These guys are driving their cars from IFYS, it's Integrated Family and Youth Services from the Sunshine Coast. Let's welcome Glenn, Damo, Wade and Alex. Come on up, guys.
All 200 cars will be escorted out by 4 to 5 cop cars. There'll be 2 cop cars in the front and 2 cop cars behind you at the end of the last car.
The guys are doing some amazing distance, Toowoomba to Bathurst.
They head to Casino, then Dorrigo, Barraba, Mudgee, Cowra, Temora, Lake Cargelligo, Parks and Bathurst.
So it's a good few hundred k's of driving every day.
Yeah, and they're bush bashing, so it can get pretty rough out there.
I'm glad to see you made the first day, boys. Okay, we'll see you in the morning.
Yeah.
Baxter wins, right?
I don't know, I like the tent, but I just think that under the stars is going to be better for me.
There's more and more people are talking to the boys, and every time we stop and we drive, somebody will drive past, it's like, hey Baxter, and how are the guys going? And so they're really, really well accepted, which I guess was one of my concerns after the mini bash, but everybody's coming to the party now, which is just great.
The car stopped. Now we're just squirting stuff on there to make him go again. Hey Glenn, how'd the trip go, buddy?
The trip was muddy and slippery.
Worse for wear, mate. What's this?
These men have never done anything like this, and we have the added challenge of trying to teach them how to do some of these things. These men, I suppose, haven't done this. It would be really easy to just do that, to just pull out the chairs and go, guys, sit, we'll do it for you, but that wouldn't be why we're here. That's not the adventure of it, is that they have to get dirty, they have to learn.
It seems the guys have been a hit with the local media, cameras and the other bashers.
Seems our guys are getting a bit famous.
They might end up leaving us behind, Mark. Can you believe it? The Baxter boys are nearly at the end.
It's amazing. They're so close to making it. I'd say they're pretty tired and on the nose a little bit now. All that travelling and camping, yuck.
I bet they're ready for a hot shower.
This is the spirit of the bash. And it goes to a team that that epitomises the spirit of variety, what we're all about here. It goes to Car Baxter.
I'd like to thank everybody for seeing our abilities, but not our disabilities. Thank you all.
I had tears in my eyes as we went up there, up on stage. Me, Damien, Pam, Glenn, Alex, all went up on stage to receive the award. It was amazing. Good luck by yourself, boys.
We all did it.
Wouldn't have done it without you, buddy.
We're really proud of the guys.